In this video, I will show how Geo user can get Gemini subscription for free. First, download the My Geo app on your phone. After downloading the app, open it. Now select this first top option, Pro plan of Google Gemini free. Select register interest. Select OK. After that, you will receive a notification within 24 or 36 hours to activate the plan. Select this next option, claim now. Next, login with any Gmail account. That email ID can be used to access Gemini's free plan for 18 months. Now next select activate plan. With this 18-month plan, you can create unlimited images and videos. Subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorials.